science teacher and all my dear friends. Today I, Jamal Singh, behalf of Group 2, would like to present on the air and structure. This is a diagram structure and I will explain in the words. The air consists of three main parts called external, middle and inner air. This part is the external air, and this is the middle, and finally this is the inner air. The external part consists of pinna, or auditory canal, and eardrum, also known as tympanic membrane. This is the pinna, and this is the auditory canal. It looks like a pipe, and this is the tympanic membrane, also known as eardrum. The middle ear consists of three small bones called ear ossicles. These three bones are called incus, malleus, and stapes that fit in oval window. And this is the stapes, this is the incus and malleus, and it fit in oval window. And the stapes bone is the smallest human bone. The middle ear is constituted of the throat by a stretching tube which is balanced on either side of the eardrum, and this is the Estrichian tube which balances on either side of the eardrum. The inner wall has two main parts called cochlear and semicircular canal. This is the cochlear. It looks like a snail shell, and this is the semicircular canal. And in the cochlear, there contain a flute and sensory cell. The three semicircular canals are arranged in right angles to each other. Are arranged like this, which are also filled with flute and sensory, and these are also filled with flute and sensory hairs. When the body is losing its equilibrium in balance, the flute present in the semicircular canal, can wash over the sensory hair and stimulate them. And the sensory hair present in here will be washing and stimulates. And the message will be sent to the brain through auditory nerves. And the message will be sent to the brain with the auditory nerves. And the brain perceives that the body is losing its equilibrium, and the brain will signal some muscle to contract and relax until the body is maintained. Thus, the ear helps in hearing and body balance. And next, this diagram will be explained by my friend Shildoji.
This is called as pinna. Now friends, please close your eyes. I want to show some example. And now, please hear the sound, okay? When I, okay, now open your eyes. You hear what you hear? Sound of the pen, no? Now, when the sound is directly passed through the auditory canal, sound waves cause vibration, and it directly go to the tympanic membrane and eardrum, and it vibrations are amplified by the these aeroscoles. There are three types of aeroscoles, and malleus, incus, and stapes. And vibrate the fluid in cochlea. It is called as cochlea, like snail shape, and it vibrates to the float cochlea and round window. It is called as round window, and it interprets the types of sound to directly in the impulse of vibration are converted in impulse by the brain, and impulses the brain directly shows our answers.
called our ear is actually called a spina. The sound wave from ear are collected by the pinna and pass through auditory canals. In this sound wave cause vibration to the tympanic membrane in the eardrum. We hear the sound when the sound is reach in the tympanic membrane, and vibration are amplified by ear incus, stapes, and needles. And it vibrates in cochlea, nose, round window, and amplified vibration are converted into impulse by cochlea. The vibration are impulsed by cochlea, and impulse are carried by auditory nerve, and the impulse converted by the cochlea are carried by the auditory nerve to the brain, and the brain will recognize what type of sound it is. Thank you.